What's up? In this video, we are going over my top 3 altcoin picks for August. So in this video, you're gonna get why you should invest in these 3 coins and why you should also be looking to trade to increase your portfolio next month. So let's get right into it. We did it, 50 likes. So as promised, we're gonna do some push-ups. Here we go. 1. Only 10 more. $50 push-ups complete. Let's go for 100. I also have a weight vest that I can use in this if we get enough likes. Number 1, first one on the list is CRO token. So that's the Crypto.com token. We are gonna go onto my laptop and look at some news. If you guys saw any of the UFC fights recently, you'll notice that a lot of them have been wearing shirts that said Crypto.com and had the CRO logo on them. So the UFC has signed a 10-year, $175 million partnership with Crypto.com. This is huge. This is the biggest sponsorship in the promotion's history. This is huge for crypto and for Crypto.com. This platform has been one of my favorite to use to invest in and to stake coins and earn crypto. For those of you that don't know what staking is, basically it's like dividend investing where you put your coins on Crypto.com. You can lock them up or you can just keep them flexible, which means you can take them out at any times and earn interest on them every week. It's pretty cool because on their platform, they have just recently increased those rewards. So for Bitcoin, for me, before it was a 4.5% and then a 5.5% return, but now it's a 6.5% for a 3-month hold. So if I wanted to lock up my Bitcoin for 3 months, I'd be earning 6.5% back on that Bitcoin per year. They've also increased a bunch of other ones. So one of the new ones that they added is Polkadot. You can earn 12.5% back a year. So staking is just basically dividend payout every week and up to the percentage per year. And other platforms, I see them decreasing those amounts over time, but Crypto.com is increasing. And one of the other things is their platform has just, in October of 2020, they broke 5 million users, and just 4 months later, they crossed 10 million users, and that was in February, and their platform is growing incredibly fast. So their Crypto.com token is called the CRO token, and that's what I'm talking about, which altcoin I love. We're gonna go over here on CoinMarketCap. The CRO token has been performing very well with this dip, and even just the past couple weeks, we've seen a little increase, and so some trading opportunities have happened because it dipped all the way down to about 9 cents at the end of June, and then it went up to about 13 cents just a week ago. So there have been some awesome opportunities to trade Crypto.com, and I've been trading it mostly against Bitcoin because it's performed very well against Bitcoin. Went up to almost 400 Satoshis. I sold quite a bit, and then now it's around 340 Satoshis. So I've rebought some of that position, and I'm waiting to even go for 300 Satoshi. Now the platform is just improving and growing. I think this coin is ranked number 30 right now. I think this coin could easily be top 20 and even top 10. And the reason I think it could be a top 10 coin is because BNB is basically the exact same thing as Crypto.com, but it's for Binance. The CRO token is for Crypto.com. So I think the potential is huge for this coin. I think it can easily be in the top 10. If it were in the top 20, its market cap would double, and it would put the price at over 20 cents per coin. And if it was in the top 10, the price would quadruple, and it would put it at about 40 cents per coin, which is some amazing potential. And so some trades that you could be looking for are against Bitcoin, and I do those trades on KuCoin. So I have CRO locked up on Crypto.com, but I also hold some CRO on KuCoin to trade with. I think the CRO token has potential to reach 500 Satoshis, 750 Satoshis, and possibly even 1,000 Satoshis. So those are the prices that I'm looking at for the next month. And coin number 2 is MLN Enzyme, and it's on Coinbase Pro. We are on Coinbase Pro. We are looking for MLN, and it's right down here. So I've done quite a few trades with this coin, and I think, so this is a new coin on Coinbase Pro, and its market cap is about $133 million right now. And this coin has a lot of volatility, and it's a very good one to be trading. And so the buy prices I would recommend for this coin is under $75. I even picked some up at $65 yesterday, and I'll even show you right here, and I sold it at about $76. So go to fills. So I picked this up at $65 and I sold it at $76.50, and now I have a rebuy position at $67.28. So I'd make about $6 or $7 on that trade, and those trades happen often for this coin. We see, I'm gonna go on the charts because you can see it goes up and down between $70 to $100 pretty often. So it's only been around for about a month on Coinbase Pro, but we've seen it go up to $120 like multiple times. It went down to 75, back up to 120, down to 50 to 60, up to 80, 70, all the way up to 120 again. This was just 2 weeks ago, 4th of July. Come back down, and it just keeps bouncing. So I think it's a very good one to trade and to buy at like 75 or under, and then to be selling at 85, 95, 105, and just be catching those 10% bounces that happen very often. So this coin, just like I said, it has a lot of volatility. These type of trades happen pretty often. Even today, I bought it yesterday and it was up almost 20% today, and I took profits off of the table. And then now I have some USD ready to rebuy at these prices if it does go back down. Coin number 3 is SHR share token. So this one is the lowest market cap out of the 3 of them, and it's the more risky one, but its market cap is 42 million at the time of this recording. And this is one that I trade a lot on KuCoin. So I've heard a lot of people talking about this coin about a year ago or so, and just a lot of hype around it. And this was in July. So we saw it go from half a penny all the way up to about 5 cents in a short period of time. And it was just a very popular coin around these times. And I started buying it around probably a penny. I just waited. And this is one that I've been trading for a long time. And so this is one that I'm confident in trading and has lots of potential with different trades that happen very often for this coin. Like on the charts on KuCoin, it's had 10 to 30% trades happening almost daily just recently. And on KuCoin, I'm going to show you a little bit of my trade history. And here we can see that I was buying it at about 49 Satoshis. And then I started selling it at 57, 68, and all the way up to 79 Satoshis. And then recently, even yesterday, I did a trade with it. I started having a couple trades with it. Looking at the charts, I bought some at 57, sold at 62, bought more at 57 and 56, sold at 61, and then rebought at 57. Or I bought 50 or 6,500 at 56, and I sold 6,500 at 61, and then I rebought almost 7,000 at 57. And so I made basically that 450 tokens as a difference, which is about $5. And now I'll sell that amount at 61 again once it reaches that, rebuy at 57, and just continue that process. And on here you can see we're going to go to the SHR against Bitcoin, because you can see how many bounces and how often it will go like this. Here on KuCoin you can see just a little bit over a week ago it was all the way up at 74 Satoshis. And it has these bounces. So selling, I bought some at 56 Satoshis and also 57. And I have part of it that I'm trading between 57 and 61 or 62 because of this. We can see it, these candles right here, which is just the past 4 or 5 days. We've seen it go like this multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've seen these candles right here, which is a 10%, happen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times just in the past couple days. So that could be 5 10% trades in 5 days. And then even before, you can see it had a bunch of other ones in the higher range. And so now I have some as well to be selling at these prices at 70 and rebuying at 65. And that happened multiple times just in the past couple weeks. So this is a great one to be trading against Bitcoin. It's going to increase your Bitcoin position and also just be a good one. So the cool thing about trading against Bitcoin, like in this scenario, is You can trade this coin against Bitcoin or against USDT, but I choose Bitcoin because trading against Bitcoin happens a lot more often, and like I explained in the logical video, logical trading, you can do a lot more trades against Bitcoin than against the dollar, and it doesn't matter what the prices are doing, there's going to be more trading opportunities there. You can increase, and by trading against Bitcoin, you're going to increase your Bitcoin portfolio size, and also you're going to increase your altcoin portfolio size. So you're going to be earning more altcoins and more Bitcoin by trading against Bitcoin. So in conclusion, we have the CRO token as number 1. We have the enzyme token MLN as number 2. And then we have SHR share token as number 3. And for Crypto.com, you can see my video about the debit card right here. And also if you'd like to see me do a full review of their crypto earn and how it works and a full walkthrough on how to use their platform, I can definitely do a video on that. And remember, as always, keep it in the green.